In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix error code 291 on Roblox, which is player removed from data model. This error code signifies that your character or player data has been removed from the game's data model. This can happen due to scripts implemented by the game's developers or server-related issues, and here's how to fix it. If you encounter error code 291 frequently, the first step is to report the issue either to the game's developers or directly to Roblox support. Just visit roblox.com/support on your web browser. Navigate to the support page and locate the contact options. Provide detailed information about the issue you're facing. Include specifics like when the error occurs, any actions you look before encountering it, and the name of the game where it occurred. Explain that you're experiencing that error and request assistance from Roblox support to resolve the issue. And submit the form. Wait for a response from the Roblox support. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.